come out of the train station, bus station here. They literally have a scale right here on the floor where they have a scale on the floor where you can weigh yourself, and you have to pay 30 cents to use it. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. Yesterday I wanted to go to the fruit market to kind of capture the life kind of there in the mornings, and I literally was at this spot right here yesterday when I ran into the person who worked on the bus. They were literally right here. So today I'm gonna try to head there if it doesn't rain and try to capture a different view of the fruit markets here, maybe in a different way than I did even yesterday, to kind of give you more of a feel for the people and kind of what it is there. I don't know, capture something different than I did yesterday, because the mornings are always different at the fruit market. It's usually less tourists, more locals, and gives you more of that vibe of the local life here, well, wherever you are, but more specifically today here in Riga, Latvia. Okay, so quick little pause here. Taking off this microphone, switching on the Nifty 50. If you guys are into photography, you know what that is. And gonna try to capture this market in a different kind of way. Here, and that is kind of here at the marketplace. It kind of gives you a different vibe. Maybe I try to mix it up. I heard this on Tales by Light, try not to replicate the same things over and over and over again the same exact way. I'm a big fan of variety, and maybe showing pictures I won't know until I actually am looking at them to see how it comes out. But being here in the marketplace in the mornings, as I always tell people, it's usually better to be around more of the local crowd. So I'm actually here, but after filming all that, I'm actually starving, and now it's time to. And like, when you're traveling to other countries and you're in these marketplaces like this, one thing that's really cool is seeing like a bunch of new stuff you've never seen before that you never even knew exists. But then the second part is like not understanding what anything is that you're looking at. I'm like split between the two. Alright, so I just leave here and I'm walking through this place, and this guy just stands up. He's like, "Oh my gosh, Michael Jordan, Snoop Doggy Dogg every single day." And he walked over to give me a high five. Yeah. And that was the entire interaction. They seem to have like a local cafe over here in the marketplace. So I'm gonna try to go to this one if I can find a way to get in.
With meat, this is ham and cheese, and those was with jam.
Oh, with jam?
Yeah, cranberry jam.
With what?
Cranberry.
What is good in the morning? What do people from here eat in the morning?
You know, I order these ones with jam. Better.
Okay, I have those ones, yes. I have four.
Okay, sure.
And it's like American pancakes, or?
No, it's called cheese pancakes.
Cheese pancakes, okay. Okay, cheese pancakes with jam. It's from Latvia? Like,
yes, exactly.
Okay, perfect.
It's our local food.
All of this is local?
Yes.
Your English is perfect. Okay, so basically this whole entire thing is Latvian. These are pancakes, but apparently they're cheese pancakes with the spinach little croissant things that they have here. A little like bread raisin with frosting, something that I actually know what it is, and a coffee. That's the breakfast. I know they all don't go together, but yeah, only here for a little bit of time, so gotta try the most I can, even if it's at the same sitting. These pancakes are actually really good because I guess they're made with cheese. There's cheese inside of here, Makes it almost a little bit thicker than the American pancakes. And wow, really good, really good. And I already know the spinach things are good, but impressed. Thicker than American pancakes. I didn't think that was possible. Hey, thank you. Bye bye. Whoa.
Dan krieg je verder is goed.
And that is the end of the marketplace. Now heading back. So it is about 2-3 hours later. Still here in the center of Riga. Just kind of, people are always freaked out by this camera here. But no, I'm still struggling with like what to kind of do here in the center. It's been I don't know what it is. I kind of talked about it yesterday a little bit in the vlog, but it's like you have the center with all these streets, but they're kind of just leading to more streets. It's just like, it's a little bit frustrating because I'm someone who, I like to find the big square or the big place where everyone is, and struggling to do that here. I have a plan. I have a plan. Oh my goodness, that food was so amazing. If you guys come here, you definitely have to check that place out. But while I was there, I kind of came up with an idea. It can be really cool, but then again, I don't know if cool is the right word to say, but this is something that could be super interesting. I'm super excited to go. Just found it out. Hope I'm allowed to show it in the vlog, but you'll understand. I think they're closed today. I think they're closed temporarily. This is the building. I had it planned out perfectly. Oh my gosh. And it's crazy here in this building, all the stuff that happened. Like people would, sorry. Literally, I was reading something and it just said that in this place is where people would come in and they would just disappear. And people just disappeared here. And the thing is, they got the whole outside like boarded up. You can't see anything inside. But I think they're closed today. I don't know why. I don't know why. It was a good attempt, but if you guys do come here, you have to come and visit that place right there. Okay, so I have to call audible. Met some pretty interesting people back there who will explain me some things going on, but that's not right now. So it kind of made me think, well, since instead of trying to walk around and rush and force something to happen, on days like today, I think maybe just chill, relax, put some headphones on, and just kind of enjoy Riga from maybe not from a vlogging standpoint, just from a standpoint of just taking in and being here in the moment right now. Whew. And kind of on that note, I'm back here where I believe I ended the vlog like 2 or 3 days ago right here. Kind of like on the bridge with Old Town is right here behind me. You guys can see it's a beautiful city. It is kind of small. I feel like the honesty, like the honest Luke Life Charms, like truth is all the things that I wanted to do and the reasons why I wanted to come here, I was able to get done in like the first day and a half, almost 2 days. So I didn't realize how small the city was, and I'm sure there's a lot more things to see. You guys watching this, maybe some people from Latvia who have been here said, oh Luke, you missed this, you missed that. Yes, I know, but for the reasons why I came here and the people had to meet things that I had to do, and a little exploring I had to see. And I feel like right now it's like, it's a great thing though, because now I can just chill, relax. That tea shop you guys saw a little bit of in the B-roll of what you guys saw. Gonna definitely spend some time there tomorrow. I've been able to catch up on a lot of work, a lot of emails, a lot of messages to you guys to be able to respond to. So it's been great for that reason. Looking forward to tomorrow. Gonna actually chill out, find a place to really relax. But I hope these videos kind of help you guys see a little bit of what it's like here. Hope this video helps you see a little bit of what it's like here in Riga. It's definitely a place you guys need to check out. And as everyone told me before I even came here, if you come to Riga, make sure you see Old Town. Everything is Old Town. Everything starts and finishes with Old Town. But on that note, Old Town's right here behind me. I'm gonna go enjoy myself. Gonna meet up with some people. Gonna just chill, relax, respond. I'll respond to some of you guys' comments at the end of this video after I post it. I'll be around there for a while later today. And anything else I want to tell you guys? Nah, hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing great. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you guys on later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.